Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your system is current and you have the right privileges. This prevents permission errors later. First, run sudo dnf upgrade refresh to update packages. Once done, open GNOME Terminal or press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to get a shell prompt. Make sure you know which shell you're in by typing echo $shell. If you need root tasks, confirm sudo whoami returns root or your user with sudo rights. Now you're ready to run commands safely. You'll navigate and manipulate files with a few core commands. ls shows hidden items and permissions, and cd/path/to/folder moves you around. Once inside, edit with nano for simplicity or vim if you prefer faster navigation. Try sudo nano filename. For system issues, view recent messages with journoctl e so you see timestamped logs. To add software, use sudo dnf install package name. When cleaning up sudo dnf, you'll wrap up by controlling services and confirming resources. Use systemtl status service name to inspect a service. Start or stop it with systemtl start/stop. For running processes, monitor with top or free h to check memory. If a process misbehaves, kill PID after confirming it's safe. Once done, clean caches with sudo dnf auto remove. If something fails, rerun the failing command with sudo and immediately inspect journoctl use service name since 10 minutes ago to find root cause and exact error message.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.